In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set reminders on Salesforce. We'll walk through how to find your reminder settings, what each option means, and how to customize everything so Salesforce can nudge you at the right time. By the end, you'll have your reminders set up so you never miss an important task, event, or conversation. First, log into your Salesforce account as you normally would. Once you're on the main Salesforce page, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that profile icon to open a drop-down menu. From that drop-down, select the option labeled Settings. This will take you into your personal settings area where you can control how Salesforce behaves for your user. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical navigation panel with different categories. Take a moment to scroll through this panel and look for the section called Calendar and Reminders. When you find it, click on it. This will expand to show more options underneath. From those options, select Activity Reminders. That's where all of your reminder preferences are managed. Now you should be on the Activity Reminders page. Here you'll see several settings you can turn on or adjust. One option allows you to show task reminders in Lightning Experience. Enabling this means that when a task is due or coming up, Salesforce can pop up a reminder inside the Lightning interface so you see it while you're working. You'll also see a setting for default task and all-day event reminders. Here, you can choose how far in advance you want Salesforce to remind you by default. For example, a certain number of minutes or hours before something is due. Setting a sensible default saves you time because you won't have to configure reminders from scratch every time you create a new task or all-day event. Next, there is a similar option specifically for event reminders. This lets you define how many minutes, hours, or even days before a scheduled event you want to be notified. Think about your workflow here. For meetings, you might want a shorter heads up, while for larger events, you might prefer more notice. You'll also see an option to show conversation reminders in Lightning Experience. Turning this on means Salesforce can remind you to follow up on important conversations directly within the interface. Below these, there is an email setting that you can enable. Email me when someone assigns me a task. If you turn this on, you'll get an email notification whenever a new task is assigned to you, which is especially useful if you're part of a busy team. Once you've adjusted all these options to match how you like to work, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save. This step is important. If you don't save, your changes won't take effect. And that's it. Your Salesforce reminders are now set up and customized, so the system can help you stay organized and on top of your work.